guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a cat heavy-duty worker. This is a forklift. It's got a remote control with lights and sounds. Wow, look at the steering wheel. It even comes with some rocks. This is a really cool forklift. You can also get a skid steer. Let's open it up. This forklift comes with lots of things. We have 3 rocks. We have a box. It has a pallet. We have the remote control and the long cable. And then we have the forklift. Now let's take a close look at the forklift. Look at these really cool forks. And the carriage has the cat logo on it. Here we have our hydraulic lift. Here we have the load backrest. And here we have the hydraulic lift cylinder. I love the lights. This is the overhead guard. I think this steering wheel is really cool. As you can see, right there we have the tilt and lift lever. Back here we have the fuel tank. And this is the counterbalance. This helps it from tipping that way with a heavy load. Here we have the drive wheels. And here we have the steering wheels. I bet he can lift lots of heavy things. I can't wait to see him at work. For now, let's just load up the pallet. I can't wait to see him in action. Let's play. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.